no real estate business can scale and grow without organized, actionable data. Every day, real estate teams manage thousands of records, contacts, accounts, and opportunities in Salesforce. But here is the problem. Data gets scattered, records are inconsistent, and sales waste valuable hours searching instead of selling. The outcome? Missed deals, delayed follow-ups, and reduced revenue potential. That's where PinTags, the Salesforce native data tracking and management app, steps in. PinTags make data organization effortless, insightful, and ROI-driven. Let's explore 5 useful use cases that shows how PinTags revolutionizes real estate data management. Use case 1. Category-wise tagging problem. Salesforce alone doesn't make it easy to classify prospects like buyers versus sellers or residential versus commercial accounts. Solution: with PinTags category-wise tagging, you can organize contacts and opportunities into logical groups such as luxury buyers, first-time homeowners, or commercial investors. This means your team can quickly focus on the right prospect and close faster deals. Use case 2. Recommendation-based tagging problem. Manual tagging is prone to human errors and inconsistency, which often leads to missing important details. Solution: PinTags leverages smart recommendations suggesting relevant tags based on data context. For instance, a lead with a high budget may be auto-tagged as premium investor or high-value opportunity. This keeps your data complete and helps teams engage better, improving conversion rates. Use case 3. Mass tagging problem. Manually tagging hundreds of contacts after an open house or property expo takes hours. Solution: with mass tagging, apply or update tags across multiple records in just few clicks. This helps save countless hours or repetitive admin work, freeing up agents to focus on nurturing leads and closing high-value deals. Use case 4. Tag colors problem. Important deals often get lost in Salesforce lists and cluttered reports. Solution: colored tags bring instant visibility, for example, red for high priority deals, green for active buyers, and blue for long-term prospects. This makes it easy for your team to identify priorities instantly and take action more quickly. Use case 5. Delete and export tags. Problem: over time, redundant or outdated tags clutter Salesforce, making reporting unreliable. Solution: with PinTags, you can easily delete unused tags and export tag data for clean reporting and analysis. This keeps your CRM healthy and ensures your insights are always accurate. In real estate, clarity and speed wins the day. PinTags empowers your team to organize, search, and act on CRM data with precision. Ready to transform the way you manage your real estate data? Book a free demo of PinTags today and discover how smart tagging leads to smarter deals.